I have a potential short trade on the Euro Japanese yen. This is the 4-hour time frame. The array is moving down. It's red and has a nice separation to it. Now, during this time, the validator dots are also red and the trend indicator is red as well. Now, we're seeing exactly what we want. The price has pulled back into the array, giving us a setup. The pullback has turned the dots green, and during that pullback, the trend indicator remained red, which is very important. On this current candle, we are seeing the validator dot is back to red, and once again, the trend indicator is still red. Now, if we are to get a signal to go short, we want to see a red arrow appear above this candle. It'll look like this previous one here. Now, if we get that signal to go short, I will be placing a sell trade. We are in the trade. We got that red arrow above the signal candle. The entry is at the close of this candle here. The stop is placed above the swing high and the take profit is placed at 1-to-1. Now at this point, there is nothing left to do but let this trade play out. So I'll be back when this trade is over. This was a very nice trade, simple and without any risk of getting stopped out. Now, this trade was for 285 pips, and this trade was worth $1,931.48. This was a simple trade that took a little while to play out, but this was maybe the easiest way to make $2,000 can be, thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.